Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm working with my clients getting them ready for the upcoming tax season. So if you're looking to start your own tax preparation service and you know making it happen by yourself, it's going to be a challenging task and getting ready for the upcoming tax season. And you understand the concept of investing in yourself by investing in someone else's mentorship and coaching program, then this is an opportunity that started today, which ends July 30th, and I just focus on the bonus section. Right here, the price tag is $1,299, and it's every year. When it comes to the bonuses, and this particular one, if you need tax preparation training, it's free. Uh, 2 years of free tax preparation software comes with this, so you'll get 20 and 21. I have a referral friend program, 50% on all the things that I do. That if you refer people that use and need some of the products and services that I offer, you'll get 50% commissions on that. Also, I assist you in preparing tax returns for you being new of tax returns you might not be comfortable with or confident with. Say, for example, the most common things you might not be comfortable with, confident with, is self-employed return. So, we come those type of individuals. If you came across several clients that fell into that category, and you wanted my assistance in preparing that return, then I would do that for you. So that's one of the perks you get as being part of my coaching and mentorship program. Even though it's an 18-month membership, you only pay for 12. And so another thing you'll get is I'll show you how to generate extra income outside of tax preparation fees. So we'll sit down and we'll go over the different potential income streams that we can generate outside of tax preparation fees, and we can see what skill sets you may already have when it comes to those extra income producing activities to see which one you qualify to implement inside your business. And then basic marketing strategies that's designed to help you get more clients is what we'll discuss inside this mentorship and coaching program. So when it comes to doing what I do, I offer a full service solution to helping that person get started with their own tax service. I take away all the guesswork in getting started. I give you a strategic plan to follow on what to focus on now and build on that. As a new individual uh, business owner in the tax preparation industry, there's a whole lot of information to cover, but we cover and focus on the stuff that's key and important and build on that. And so the things that's important for you being new with no prior training experience will be learning how to prepare individual income taxes, learning the software uh, that you're going to use to prepare the individual income taxes with, and show you some other information that you need to know and learn that's going to help protect yourself and your business from possible liabilities when it comes to this industry. And so when it comes to the e-file provider's application, one of the biggest challenges is again, being able to create a secure account on IRS.gov. Uh, the financial pieces of information that you need to have is a credit card or auto loan or student loan or a mortgage or a line of credit. So if you have one of those pieces or multiple pieces of those financial information, then you would use one of those to go on IRS.gov to see if you can create a secure account. And from there, once you create a secure account, everything else is smooth sailing. It's a uh, ease and flow to set up everything within 30 days and just waiting for approval when it comes to the e-file provider's application. And there's certain things we'll be doing simultaneously when it comes to you joining my mentorship and coaching program. Part of what we do is live training, group live training, and one-on-one coaching as it relates to getting started. So based on where you're at, like I said, if you're one of my clients that's brand new, no prior training experience, you start on a whole nother path. If you're a person that has prior training experience, you've been around for a while, and you're ready to just take it to a whole nother level by starting your own tax service, then you'll fall into a definitely group of people that fall into that same category. So when it comes to getting started, when it comes to fast tracking your success, when it comes to you being ready for the 2021 tax season, you want to take action now. You know what I'm saying? Because see, the learning curve to being a new business owner is going to be different for everyone based on who you are as an individual. And so when it comes to learning the knowledge and skills to prepare taxes, and when it comes to the software needed to learn how to prepare taxes with, those are time consuming factors. When it comes to everything you're gonna do, when it comes to starting your own tax service, those are the two most time-consuming things you need to focus on right now. And so that's what we do. We focus on those two areas right now. And like I said, you'll get other information that you'll take a look at and that you'll read on at your leisure. But we're gonna make sure when it comes to learning how to prepare individual taxes, and when it comes to learning how to use the software that's gonna do the work for you, you will focus on those two tasks because, like I say, those are the most two time-consuming tasks that we need to start with now. I've been teaching this income tax course for at least 15 years, and based on my experience with teaching this course hands-on, classroom style, people passed the hands-on portion, but when it came to teaching them how to use the software, especially for people that was going to work for the company, that was the biggest challenge they had. And so what I had to do was I had to start putting people on the software training portion as well as learning the hands-on simultaneously, so they can have a chance to learn how to use the software and be ready in time for tax season. And so that's why I learned from teaching this tax course classroom style for all those many years. So when it comes to starting this business, when it comes to learning these knowledge and skills, we in a service-based business that's based on our knowledge. And so the more you know and good at what you know, it's going to help you to build your business even quicker. And one of the perks again is with me being on your team and you being new, if you got certain type of tax returns that you're not confident in, you're not familiar with, I will prepare those tax returns for you. I'll do it by video and give you all the information you need to turn around and take it and make it your own and let the client know these are the things you did and these are why the things you did the way you did them. And boom, voila. As far as they know, you did the work. It ain't their business to know or not to know who did the work. That's are the perks of being in business. Those are the perks of having someone on your team that got 20 years of experience, 14 as a business owner. Is that I'm gonna make sure you're successful out the gate. I'm gonna make sure you fast track your success on a whole other level compared to people who's trying by themselves, compared to people who are doing it on their own. And so that's the whole benefit of connecting with someone and joining someone's program, because it should help you to get better results than someone who's doing their own thing by themselves. And the only real key to that is A, two people starting at the same time, two people uh, brand new, no prior training experience. One person is going to do it on their own, the other person is going to join someone mentorship and coaching program. The person that's doing it on their own, who brand new just like the other person is, but the other person has them a mentor and coach that's helping them with this process, and they all both even when it comes to everything else for our skills and knowledge and all that, and extra skills and knowledge that's unrelated to the task itself. The person that has a mentor and coach that's taking action on what they're talking about doing inside their business should get better results than the person that's trying to do it by themselves. And that's speaking with a person who's doing it by themselves, who don't have any prior training or knowledge when it comes to marketing and advertising skill sets. Because see, that's a skill breaker by itself. Well, a person who got knowledge in the area of marketing and advertising, who adds tax preparation training and skills to their skill sets, they can definitely outdo a person who doesn't have those skill sets when it comes to marketing and advertising under their belt. But with a person who has a mentor coach who's getting started with the other person who gets started by themselves, but this other person who's not starting by themselves do have those extra skill sets of marketing and advertising knowledge, it should be an interesting outcome to see who does well for us financial goals for the first year of upcoming tax season. That'll be a nice case study to do uh, going forward. So if I ever had an opportunity where I had two different clients who fell into those parameters, I would definitely do a case study on that uh, over and over again to see what would that look like. So when it's all said and done, this page here is the bonuses. This ends on the 30th. This is a one-time payment of $1,299. And if you want to continue to work with me, you'll pay it again next year at the time you paid it before. So if you paid in July, you'll pay again this time in July. If you pay in August, you'll pay again next time in August. If you decide you don't want to be a part of the coaching program, you just let me know ahead of time, and I'll make sure you won't get billed for that amount a year from now. And so this program here is designed to fast track your success. This program is here designed to take away all the guesswork. It's designed to give you a full service solution and get started from A to Z. It's designed to give you targeted information that we're going to focus on that's important to you having a successful tax service. And the knowledge and skills needed is key because that's the skills you need to consider yourself a tax service in the first place. Unless you just one of those people who happen to be a business owner name only, which means you got a whole lot of money and you basically hiring people who already have the knowledge and skills to do the work, then this is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about people who learning the skills, starting their own tax service, they self-employed, they're a solopreneur, they basically a one-man show, they're doing all the work because that's what a one-man show has to do. And that's the business model I'm talking about. I'm not talking about people who has enough capital and money to start a business and hire people out the gate to do all the work. I'm not talking about that business model. I'm talking about people who are going to do all the work themselves because they don't have the resources to hire staff out the gate like that. So when it comes to that situation, this here program is designed to help you get better results than someone who's working on their own, trying to start their own tax service. And so again, back to the bonuses. And before we go to the bonuses, this is what we cover. And this is just a basic overview. Secure account situation is crucial. The business structure and e-hypervisor application is crucial. And once you create this here successfully, then we're able to get to this application here. Without this secure account done, we can't get to this e-hypervisor application, which means we can't get the credentials needed to buy professional software and work with third-party banks. And so that means if you're not able to get the secure account done and you still want to have a tax service, then you'll have to partner with someone and work under their credentials to make it happen. And so those are another option for the right candidate. And then PTIN is simple. We get that the same day. Learning the skills and knowledge again to pay individual income taxes, professional software, third-party bank enrollment process. This coaching program has more to cover. This is just a front-end starting point. So just let you know, this is just getting started. It's more to be talked about once you become a client. Then, like I said, these are the bonuses. Uh, Free tax preparation training course. You get 2 years of free tax preparation software. You get 50% commissions on my referral program. I assist you with preparing tax returns for your clients, especially for clients that may be complicated and outside your comfortability. I'll take care of that and make it happen. I'll show you other income streams that you can make outside of tax preparation fees based on your pre-existing knowledge that you may already have in other areas. And then basic marketing strategies designed to help you get more clients. Like I say, this is a one-time fee of $1,299 yearly. So if you're interested and you want to learn more, call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. Every video always have my contact information in it. So going forward for the remainder of this year, only videos I'm gonna be doing will just simply have a title, my name, and a contact information as far as a phone number and maybe an email, and that's about it. Because right now I'm through promoting all these different specials. I got one special. I got two. I got maybe 2 to 3 specials I'm gonna focus on. Rest of the way, I'm getting my people ready for the upcoming tax season, get myself ready. I got other business ventures I'm doing, and so I don't have time to just constantly bombard you with different promotions that people are not taking advantage of. No way. And so I'll see you in my next video.